What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is going to be our first daily driver project HHR video in quite some time. We've been away. The car's gone through a lot. We broke the transmission in 2021 November. It took an awful long time to find one and have it fixed, and once that was done, the car kind of just sat. I recently listed it for sale. It's been for sale for a few weeks. After I listed it, the car had a misfire code. The misfire code is essentially what has stopped me from selling the car to this point. But we are going to try and address that today. So let's go. All right, so the plan for today is we are taking a trip down to the super secret Cobalt chop shop. My man Rob Lee is down there. He's gonna help me try and diagnose what's going on with this thing. He's got HP tuners, I don't. He's gonna hook this thing up to it. We're gonna see what the misfire code is being caused by and see if I can't address that ASAP. Depending on what the misfire code is, depending how I can get this thing running, maybe I take it off the market and keep going, or I fix the misfire code and just keep on offering it for sale. So we're gonna be heading out. Let's get down to Rob and figure out what's going on with this bad boy. Of course, he's got 5 Delta cars in his driveway, one of them for sale. We made it. We are at the top secret location with the Cobalt hoarder. Say what up, Rob.
What's up, what's up?
Here we go. We are gonna hop in the old girl here and gonna see what Rob thinks, get his opinion, hook it up to a computer and see what's going on.
Oh, I forgot I was tuning that night last time. My screen's like off pretty much. Plug that bad boy in. You can start, it doesn't matter. I'm just firing everything up here. I gotta open up the L&F channels because I was tuning the LSJ last. And your car wants fuel.
Is it not getting it?
No, it's not. That's like, it's lean out. You know, it means the computer's pulling fuel on this short-term shit. See, driving's whatever. It's in the green, but when you're idling, it was up in the red. Yeah, see?
Right at the stop, there was like a little hesitation.
Yeah.
So there was a
Bunch of misfires on cylinder 1 and 2. Don't fly over here. But yeah, no, it's a little weird.
Alright, what are we looking at here?
Misfires. Cylinder 1. See, 1, 2.
Misfires.
The idle's okay now. Like I said, we should unplug the long term. Yeah, 3. Now cylinder 4's got 1. But like I said, driving around, it was smoother.
All right, so here, Rob and his brother Mike, they're kind of looking over the data.
More during the poll.
And I decided to take Mike
when you can use the Allen
for a
key
quick
over
test
using
drive.
that clip.
Yeah.
I thought I was wearing the seatbelt.
Well, after we finished our test drive, I decided to have Mike take the car for a test drive himself. So he could kind of give me his thoughts on how the car felt and how it drove. Here, Mike finishes up his test drive and kind of gives me his feedback on the car. All right. So, after taking it for a quick drive, what do you think? What's your initial impression? Good, bad, ugly?
It's I don't know. It doesn't feel like it comes in as hard as I would hope it to.
I expect it to, right?
Yeah.
Compared to the Cobalts?
I mean, like I said, I'm running with his 6258. It felt like it was there more.
All right, so after the test drive, Mike had mentioned the shifter felt like it could use some adjusting, and he was kind enough to assist me in adjusting the shifter linkage. I essentially just had to remove the boot and the interior piece where the shifter's located and mess with the cables a little bit, and he did a pretty good job. Shout out to Mike. Thank you for helping me out here. One more quick look over the data, and that's it. All right, so just left Rob's. Shout out to him and his brother for helping me out here. Long story short, the tune that I got from Tune Time apparently isn't agreeing with the motor. So I'm gonna look elsewhere for some tuning. I guess I'm gonna have to pick up some HP tuners, data log, and have it remote tuned. This was a very productive day. I finally got to drive the car again. I haven't really driven it more than around the block in a long time, and I got some things accomplished. We were able to readjust the shifter linkage. Feels a bit better. Still not great, but I'm gonna have to. I would have to dive into that a little further to really figure that out. But we were able to confirm the car does have some misfires. It's misfiring mainly around town, putting around, but not at like full throttle. So again, HP tuners, remote tune, and we'll have to figure out what to do from there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I'm glad to have been back in this car, bringing you guys some content, even though nobody's gonna watch this. I had some fun. So as always, if you can, hit like, hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, peace. I really hate making these intro videos. I really don't know what to say or what to do. I really truly dislike seeing myself on camera too, and then having to edit these videos later. But I guess if you're gonna have a YouTube channel, that's kind of just kind of comes with the territory. I missed the exit. I had to drive like another 7 miles out of the way to come back.